It's January 12th, 2011. This is the blizzard. And we had a total snowfall today of, that's the edge. I'm going to stick it right in the middle here. And we've got almost 15 and a half inches. 15 and a half inches in Groveland. Give you an idea of how high some of the snowbanks are and how much snow we've got. Here's one pile pushing it up from the driveway. These are the side ones over here. Look at the size of these. Give you an idea. They're well over 6 feet. And to give you an idea, there's the house completely covered with snow. You can see the drifting on the roof up on the top right there. And look at this. All the trees completely covered. There's a kind of turning into a mix of a heavy wet snow. There's Carl doing the end of his driveway. You can see the edge over here. And there's another snowbank. These are the snowbanks at the end of the driveway. They're up around 6 feet. You can see here that we've really got a lot of snow. And I'm walking up towards the other driveway at the top here, just to give you an idea. It's still snowing, by the way, and it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been snowing for about 12 hours. Here's the edge down here, and to give you an idea, there's snowbanks there, and you can see the trees. Everything is just really covered and weighted down from the snow. And you can see the snowbanks on the side just pushing it up with the tractor. And wow, over here we've got a branch that already came down. Good thing Christy moved her car. And look at this. So unless we get some thawing out in the next few days, we're going to probably get some branches and stuff that comes down. Here's baby blue. Here's another view from this angle of the snow. Look at the snowbank right there. Push that down from coming out from the backyard. So we've got quite an accumulation here of snow. And you can see the winds are still kicking up a little bit. They're gusting off and on about 25 to 30 miles an hour. Going in the house now. Signing off. Oh, here's another view here before I go in. The backyard, just to give you an idea. Look at this, on top of the grill. There's the top of the grill right there. It's at 17, so hard to tell. Between 15 and a half to 16 inches of snow, I guess. Signing out. Over.